heart at all. But he got born from the virtual kisses. He wants to be with you, but how can he do it? You even warned me not to propose by the sky. Feeling happened, he started planning for his proposal. He searched through the net, but can't think of the perfect one. How can the prince such a promise to say yes? He messaged me in FBI, only you're healthy. He then told me that he will soon buy the ring. I said to myself that this is not for real. Don't be afraid, I told him not to worry. I'm expecting and definitely stay there. My heart is that beating, and I need to pretend I am sick, act as if I am pooping. Oh, Nick, you better play my talent beat. Then Nicky said, I'm Clara, love you, I'd like to spend my life with you, I want to be together. Replies in the center, you were so speechless and can't even say a word. He down to the ground and pulled out the ring and said, marry me and could never have to be alone. I love you and I know you love me too. Don't be so hard to get, cause everything is ready. This is your love story and you accept it. Nikki and Anne, I'm really very happy that aside from your parents and relatives, sobrang happy ako na first time ko magreto na tapos basta very successful and awan ko, sobrang love ko lang talaga kayong dalawa. And I can't wait na makita yung unang-una kong inaanak sa inyo. I love you, Anne.
Thank you so much.